In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize live captions, bold text and text size in iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm doing is opening up the Settings app. I tap on that gear icon, give it a moment to load, and once I'm inside, I'm looking through the list of options on the screen. From here, I scroll down until I see accessibility, and once I find it, I tap on it to go inside. Now I'm in the accessibility menu, and I continue scrolling down through the list until I spot live captions. When I see it, I tap on live captions, and that takes me into the section where I can manage the feature and its settings. Alright, now that I'm here on the live caption screen, I make sure live captions is turned on by tapping the toggle if it isn't already enabled. Once that's set, I tap on appearance, and this opens up the area where I can customize how captions look. Now I tap on bold text, and from here I adjust it to my preference. After setting that, I move back and tap on text size, and I change the size to what feels comfortable for me. The changes apply immediately as I make them, so I can take a moment to fine tune everything. Once I'm satisfied, I pause here for a second just to confirm everything looks right, and then I begin backing out through the menus step by step, heading back toward the main screens. Anytime you want to revisit it, you just open Settings, go into Accessibility, tap Live Captions, turn it on if needed, open Appearance, and adjust bold text or text size again. And that's all there is to it. You've now seen how to customize bold text and text size for live captions on your iPhone, and once you've gone through it once, it becomes quick and easy to return and adjust whenever you need.